Hey guys, today I'm here with my little brother.
Hello.
Today we'll be catching some live bait, or we already have caught some live bait with our cast net, and we'll show you how to catch fish on live bait and the rigs you use so that the fish looks lively in the water even if it's dead or not. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so we've got live bait here. Got some mullet and sardines. That'd be good.
Oh no.
Take a kiss.
No! I don't want.
Alrighty, so guys, we're down here at the river. There's already a few bust ups. That side and that side, you can already see it. It's not big right now, but yeah, the rig we're using, right, is a live mullet. Well, it's dead now, and like 50 centimeter leader to swivel and sinker down to the rod tip, so that this leader is here to make it look like the fish is swimming with the current, so the fish thinks it's alive. But yeah, we do have live bait in here to use. So yeah, let's hopefully catch something. And yeah. Alright guys, so we're here. Got the liveys in and getting a couple of bites. Nothing major yet, but yeah. I'll get back to you when we have a fish on or whatever happens. But yeah, let's see what happens. Hopefully get them dogs. Right boys, we got a hook on. Oh, I need to put this somewhere. Crap. Oh, sorry. Sorry boys, you can't see. Right up. Oh, let's see what it is. Crap. Can you guys see? Oh, where is it gone? Oh, crap. Oh, I gotta move this line. Oh, it's got me on. It's got me snagged. Oh, alright, wait up. Oh, this is not good. I'm gonna move this other rod. This guy's got me snagged on the boat ramp. I can already see fish moving. This guy's got me. So, this is my line. Rocks. Oh, I need to get the big torch, then you can see it. Alright. So, see that? Fish busting up. Alright, so that's my line. Goes down onto that boat thing and it's gone around it. Might just loosen up and see if it comes down. If it doesn't, then oh well. cut the line. Alright, so what happened was the fish had actually just swum into the boat ramp, and he had just been badly snagged, and I could not get it out. I was trying to get up for 20 minutes straight, left the line slack. But yeah, let's reel in this other line. It's been in here for quite a long time. So yeah. Alright. This rod did have a few bites earlier. Had some major bust ups near it, but I don't think anything actually took the sardine. Oh, it did. Oh no, it didn't. This is sardine or mullet? Oh no. Still like that. Oh yeah, as you can see, it's just sinker, swivel, long trace, just leader. So the bait looks lively in the water. Let's get it back in. Just too many green ants, I might just have to hold the camera and chuck it. Just chuck this thing. Oh no. I just literally just dropped it. Wait up. I'll cast this and then turn this back on. Quite sad because I don't think you guys can see, but over that side there's lots of bust ups. But I can't actually get the fish. Like, the fish is chasing beneath the bait fish, but the fish don't actually want to eat my bait. It's quite sad, but yeah. Well, let's try again, see what happens. Alright, so bait's in the water. And yeah. It's pretty deep where it is. Yeah, this is basically where I'm fishing, so I got one rod there. And I've got this pontoon here that I will be fishing off tomorrow, and I'll get that on video as well if I can. Then we got this rod. Wait up. We got this rod here. That's the one that got snagged. Why can't you see? Like, oh, there we go. Yeah. And then we got this yellow rod that was in the water when I was trying to pull out the snag. Yeah, but that's in the water. I just have to fix up this one. Took the whole thing. But yeah, there's two ways you can use a live bait. You can have just so you can just have let me take my glove off. Sorry guys. So you can just have a sinker to one of these things right here. The swivel to the hook attachment, and then a hook of your size. I'm using that size hook. Yeah, or you can just go sinker, normal swivel, and then hook. Yeah, and then leader then hook. But yeah, hopefully we catch something. See what's up. Alright guys, so I'm back, and yeah, I'll show you actually how you hook the live bait. So right now I'll just be using mosquitoes, Aussies, whatever. Using the sardine right here. They have like 2-3 names. They have like sardine, herring. I think it's hardy heads as well. Not sure, But yeah, so you just put it in right there, second stripe, put it in, put it back in.